Today I've got a 2017 Chevy Silverado Z71 headlight and fog light combination. I don't know what the Z71 stands for, but I don't think that's really important to this video. So what I'm going to do instead is talk about this amazing headlight build that I did. We did the Klearz replacement up there and the Klearz replacement down there. This is the factory turn signal, which is going to be a profile pivot switchback, so it'll be a white running light with an amber turn signal. However, that's not in there right now because obviously it's not hooked up in the car. We did a profile Prism halo installation in there, as well as the profile pixel DRL board, which all goes all up in there. For the fog lights, they look pretty normal. They have two 6-inch profile Prism strips inside of them. I also did a lens restoration on this because, you know, I might start requiring that for reusing all OEM housings, because they just, between the bug splatter and the rock debris and all that, man, you do all this work on the inside and it's just mandatory to make them look decent again. So anyway, I did that. It looks pretty fly. So I'm going to turn on power now. And you can see the running light white. So if you add in the additional lights down there, then you'll get the picture. So the reason that they all just kicked on over to the color is because it just synced up with the Morimoto app. So this is 3 channels of control. So currently right now they're all on the same channel, they're all linked together, so they're all RGB. However, they are individually controllable, so we can put that one on like a blue, put that one on like a red. We want like a red, that's a reddish. And we'll go to 3, we'll make that one like a, I don't know, somewhere over there. Whatever, you get the idea, right? We've been through this a million times with all different products. It's RGB control, multi-zone. It'll also do themes, which will link them all together, and then it'll run through that animation, full color, blah, blah, blah. What's real fun about this setup, though, is that everything's switchback. So his turn signal is going to be awesome, because also keep in mind we're still going to have the turn signal down there as well. So like every single thing is going to light up with turn signal, and there's no such thing as turn signal overkill, because letting people know that you're changing lanes is a cool thing. And then when you remove that, it'll go back to whatever it was left on. That's all I have to say about that for now. Have yourselves a wonderful day. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. And we out of here.